InstaForex is a global leader in the online trading industry, renowned for its innovative approach and commitment to excellence. Founded in 2007, InstaForex has grown rapidly, establishing itself as a trusted name in the financial world. It now serves millions of traders around the world, from beginners to seasoned professionals across various continents. InstaForex is known for its user-friendly platform and wide range of trading instruments, making it accessible to all. Traders can access Forex, CFDs, stocks and futures, providing diverse opportunities for investment and growth. InstaForex is committed to providing a secure and reliable trading environment for all, ensuring peace of mind for its users. InstaForex is regulated by reputable financial authorities, adhering to strict standards and regulations. This ensures the safety of client funds, providing an extra layer of security and trust. The company offers 24/7 customer support in multiple languages, ensuring help is always available when needed. InstaForex is dedicated to providing a seamless trading experience with a focus on efficiency and user satisfaction. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, InstaForex has something to offer you, catering to all levels of expertise. InstaForex offers a variety of trading platforms to suit every trader's needs. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out in the trading world, the platforms are designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, ensuring that traders can focus on their strategies rather than struggling with the interface. Even beginner traders can easily navigate the interface thanks to the well-thought-out design and helpful guides available. Traders can choose from the popular MetaTrader 4 platform, the web-based InstaTrading platform, and the mobile trading app, each offering unique features to enhance the trading experience. The mobile trading app is perfect for those who need to trade on the go, providing flexibility and convenience. MetaTrader 4 is a powerful and versatile platform, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for in-depth market analysis. It is widely regarded as the industry standard, trusted by traders around the world for its reliability and advanced features. MetaTrader 4 offers a wide range of features, including advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and automated trading options, making it suitable for all types of traders. These features help traders to make informed decisions and execute trades efficiently. The InstaTrading platform is a web-based platform that allows traders to trade directly from their web browser, providing a seamless trading experience. It allows traders to trade directly from their web browser, eliminating the need to download or install any software, which is perfect for those who prefer a hassle-free setup. This eliminates the need to download or install any software, making it incredibly convenient and accessible. The mobile trading app allows traders to access their accounts and trade on the go, ensuring they never miss an opportunity. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices, making it versatile and accessible for all traders. InstaForex offers a generous bonus program to its clients. New traders can benefit from a welcome bonus. This bonus can boost their initial deposit by up to 100%. InstaForex also offers a deposit bonus. This bonus rewards traders for making subsequent deposits into their trading accounts. In addition to bonuses, InstaForex runs regular contests and promotions. These contests offer traders the chance to win valuable prizes. Prizes include cash, luxury cars, and exotic trips. InstaForex also has a lucrative referral program. Traders can earn commissions by referring new clients to the platform. Understanding InstaForex trading conditions is crucial for enhancing your trading experience. By familiarizing yourself with these conditions, you can make more informed decisions and optimize your trading strategies. InstaForex offers competitive trading conditions designed to benefit traders. These conditions are tailored to meet the needs of both novice and experienced traders, providing a versatile trading environment. You can enjoy tight spreads, low fees, and flexible leverage options. Tight spreads mean that the cost of entering and exiting trades is minimized, which can significantly impact your overall profitability. Spreads, which are the difference between the bid and ask price of an asset, are particularly tight at InstaForex. This is especially beneficial for day traders and scalpers who rely on small price movements. This maximizes your potential profits. When spreads are tight, you keep more of your gains, which can compound over time to significantly boost your trading account. Fees are kept to a minimum, allowing you to trade more frequently without worrying about high costs eating into your profits, ensuring that you retain more of your earnings. Lower fees mean that more of your hard-earned money stays in your account, contributing to your overall financial growth. And when it comes to leverage, InstaForex offers flexible options. This flexibility allows you to tailor your trading approach to your risk tolerance and investment goals. This allows you to control larger positions with a smaller capital outlay. By using leverage wisely, you can amplify your returns without needing a large initial investment. However, remember that leverage can amplify both profits and losses. It's a double-edged sword that requires careful management and a solid understanding of market dynamics. It's essential to use leverage responsibly. Always consider the risks involved and never overextend your positions. Responsible trading is key to long-term success. Mastering the markets is made easier with InstaForex's comprehensive suite of market analysis tools. These tools are essential for making informed trading decisions. You can access daily market analysis reports, breaking news, and expert commentary, helping you stay ahead of market trends. The economic calendar is another valuable tool from InstaForex. It keeps you updated on upcoming economic events and data releases. The calendar includes crucial information such as the event time, country, impact level, and expected market volatility. This helps you plan your trades accordingly.